Hey, Emma, got a minute?
Sure, Dad. What's up?
I wanted to talk to you about college. Have you thought more about where you want to go?
Yeah, I've been thinking about it. I'm leaning towards staying in state.
Any particular reason why?
It's closer to home, and it's more affordable. Plus, some of the in-state schools have great programs for what I want to study.
That makes sense. Have you narrowed it down to a few schools?
I'm considering State University and City College. Both have strong science programs.
Those are both good choices. Have you visited either campus yet?
I visited State University last month. I really liked it. I have a tour scheduled at City College next week.
That's great. What did you like about State University?
The campus is beautiful, and the facilities are top-notch. I also liked the vibe I got from the students and staff.
That's important. What about City College? What are you looking forward to seeing there?
I'm interested in their research labs and talking to some of the professors. I've heard they have a strong mentorship program.
Sounds like you're doing your homework. Have you thought about scholarships or financial aid?
Yes, I've started looking into scholarships. I'm also going to apply for financial aid. Every little bit helps.
Definitely. We should sit down and go over the financial aspects together soon.
That would be great. Thanks, Dad. It's a lot to think about, but I'm excited.
It is a big decision, but you're doing great. I'm proud of you, Emma.
Thanks, Dad. I appreciate your support. It's a bit overwhelming, but I feel more confident knowing you've got my back.
Always, Emma. Have you thought about what you want to major in yet?
I'm leaning towards biology. I'm really passionate about environmental science and conservation.
That's a great field. There are so many opportunities, and it's such important work. Do you have any career ideas in mind?
I'm thinking about working for a nonprofit or maybe going into research. I want to make a difference in environmental protection.
That's admirable. Have you looked into internship opportunities? They can give you a lot of practical experience.
Yes, I've found a few that look interesting. I'm planning to apply for some summer internships. It'll be good to get hands-on experience.
That's a smart move. Internships can also help you build a network in your field. Have you spoken to any advisors or mentors about your plans?
I've talked to my biology teacher, and she's been really helpful. She gave me some great advice and resources. I'm also planning to talk to some professors during my campus visits.
That's good to hear. It sounds like you're on the right track. How do you feel about living on campus?
I'm excited about it. I think it'll be a great way to meet new people and fully immerse myself in the college experience. I'll miss home, but it's part of growing up.
It definitely is. And you'll always have a place here whenever you want to visit. Have you thought about roommates?
I'm a bit nervous about it, but I'm hoping to find someone with similar interests. I've joined some student groups online to start connecting with potential roommates.
That's a good idea. It's important to find someone you get along with. Living with someone can be a big adjustment, but it's also part of the fun.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It'll be a new experience, and I'm ready for the challenge.
You've got a great attitude, Emma. College is going to be an amazing adventure for you. And remember, if you ever need anything, I'm just a phone call away.
Thanks, Dad. I really appreciate it. I'm excited and a little nervous, but I know I'll be okay with your support.